Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Accounting. Those who are new here, we want them to know that Easy Accounting is the India's first voice-controlled ERP system and GST-enabled accounting software based on voice recognition technology. Moreover, there are many unique features implemented in Easy Accounting which you might have never seen before. It is so easy and simplified that anyone can access it whenever they want with mobile or computer from anywhere in the world. For more details, you can watch the videos in description. Now let's continue.
In today's video, we will see how to do stock transfer by using consumption and production features. We will also see some extra features related to stock transfer. When you make or produce any item by using or consuming other multiple items, then you do this process in stock transfer. For example, you can make gold ring using raw gold or gold diamond ring using raw gold and diamond stone. Also, you can make a desktop computer using RAM, disk drive, cabinet, CPU and other elements. So for stock transfer creation panel, you can click here on stock transfer or you can press Ctrl+C. You can also say create stock transfer or stock transfer karo. Create stock transfer. Now this is the stock transfer panel. So for standard and jewelry software, it's simple. Just add the items you are using to make any other item here in raw item or consumption side and add the items which is going to be made here in production side. So first let's add some items in consumption side. Here select the item. Now select the godown from where the items will be used. Enter the quantity and here enter the approx rate of item and click on add button. So these are the items we will use to produce any other item. Now similarly add the items this side which is going to be made or produced using these items. So let's add it. Select item, select godown where this new item will be kept, enter the quantity, enter the rate of this item and click on add. Now we are making this item by using these items. Select the date, you can also enter the remarks. Now click on done.
Stock transfer successfully completed.
If you want to clear both table, you can click on this clear button. So as you can see, the items in consumption side is decreased from stock and the items in production side is increased in stock. Now let's see stock transfer panel for crusher mining software. Here you have some other options. If you want to do simple stock transfer, we have seen recently, you can do it by selecting this option. But if you are just consuming your fuels for any purpose, then you can select fuel consumption here. If you are doing crushing works by using crusher, then you can select this option stock transferred by crusher. And if you are increasing your stock by taking it from mines to your warehouse, then you can select this production from mines. Now in fuel consumption option, add the fuels you have consumed in consumption side and you can also select vehicle if you are using the fuel for vehicle. Now suppose you want to crush some boulders or stones to different aggregates and dust. So you give some boulders and stones to the workers for crushing. Then you can add those items here in consumption side. You can track the work of different crushers by selecting the crusher here, providing the location, rating, time or any other details. Here you can also select the supervisor of the work and save this voucher. Now this is the pending work of crusher. You can see it in pending status, and when the work of crusher is complete, then you can modify the production details to make its status as completed. We will see it later. Now suppose some items is transporting from your mines to your godown or warehouse, so in that case you can add the items produced from mines here in production side. You can also select the vehicle, enter the vehicle details, reading, location, etc. And you can also select the driver of vehicle. Then the produced items will be added to your stock.
Stock transfer successfully completed.
Now let's see how you can enter these details with voice commands. To enter the details of consumption side, say consumption, and to enter the details of production side, say production. To change the item, say item. To change the godown, say godown or warehouse. For quantity, you can say quantity, and for rate, you can say rate. And to click this add button, you can say add item. You should know one thing, if the cursor is in the consumption side, your voice command will work for this side, and if your cursor is in production side, your voice command will work for this side. To change the date, you can say date, and to enter the narration, you can say remark or remarks. To click this done button, you can say stock transfer complete or stock transfer ho gaya. Item color. Quantity 6, rate 50. Item A4 paper. Quantity 4, rate 850. Add item. To change the vehicle or crusher, you can say the voice command vehicle, and to change the supervisor or driver, you can say the voice command driver. Now let's see how you can say the details of stock transfer. To view the list of stock transfer, you can click here on stock transfer inside display section, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus E, or you can also say display stock transfer or stock transfer दिखाओ. Here select the date criteria, whether you want reward for all time, for any specific month, or between any date period. You can change the date criteria with voice command. For all time say date all, for a specific month say month and then month name like month January. Now for any specific date say date and your date like date 9 July. If you want to set period of date, you can say date from date and to date, or date from date or to date like this, date 5 April and 20 April. You can also say date 1 May or 30 September. To get report, click on this go button. You can also say go or done. You can see the list of stock transfer. To view any stock transfer, click on the voucher number, or you can say show number and then serial number like this. Show number 1. Here is your stock transfer. To print the stock transfer, click on print, or to email this, click on email. Here you can click on any row in item table to highlight it and click again to make it normal. You can also take your mouse over the quantity to see the godown or warehouse. To show the signature and stamp of your company, you can use these options. To close this, click on X. If you want to highlight any row, click on it and click again to make it normal. To delete any stock transfer, click on this delete button, or you can use voice command delete number. To modify any stock transfer, click on edit button, or you can say change number like this. Change number 1. Here you can see the stock transfer number you are modifying. Do the change and click on this edit button. To cancel modification, click on this cancel button or say cancel stock transfer. To print, email or download the details of stock transfer as Excel file, click on these buttons. Now let's say list of stock transfer for crusher mining software. Here you can also select the type of stock transfer you have created. For all types of stock transfer, you can select all stock transfer. Now when you select the option stock transferred by crusher, you can also filter using the status pending or completed. Pending means crushing work is in process and only consumption items are added in the voucher. And completed means work of the crusher is completed and also the details of production is updated in the voucher. You can select all to get the details of status with both completed and pending. Now to complete and update the production details of crushing work, select pending, click on go. Now you can click edit, and here in production side, add the items which are produced by the crusher. And click on edit to change its status as completed.
Stock transfer successfully updated.
That's it. Thanks for watching.
और आखिरकार हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं कि अगर आप अपना ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट दैट इज सॉफ्टवेयर और वेब एप्लीकेशन को रियलिटी में डेवलप करवाना चाहते हैं तो आप हमें कॉल कर सकते हैं या फिर एप्लीकेशन रिक्वेस्ट भेज सकते हैं, क्योंकि हम आपको 100% सेटिस्फैक्शन गारंटी देते हैं। इसके साथ ही आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट का पेमेंट EMI दैट इज इजी मंथली इंस्टॉलमेंट में कर सकते हैं, वो भी 0% इंटरेस्ट के साथ। तो अब इंतजार किस बात का, ये टाइम आपके ड्रीम को रियल लाइफ में बदलने का है।